Today topic of discussion clinical significance of monounsaturated fatty acid and polyunsaturated fatty acid. Monounsaturated fatty acid are chemically classified as fatty acid containing single double bond. So the fatty acid containing single double bond. So it have that name monounsaturated fatty acid. Fatty acid containing single double bond. So it have that name monounsaturated fatty acid. Example of monounsaturated fatty acid: olive oil, canola, peanut, sesame. These are the things example of monounsaturated fatty acid. Second one is polyunsaturated fatty acid. In this one, chemically they have two or more double bond. See here, many double bond is present. That means this one name is called polyunsaturated fatty acid. Example of polyunsaturated fatty acid: soya bean, corn, sunflower seed, oil, groundnut, flaxseed, fatty fish, and walnut. These are the things example of polyunsaturated fatty acid: soya bean and tofu, corn, sunflower seed and oil, groundnut, flaxseed, fatty fish, and walnut. Next, clinical significance of monounsaturated fatty acid. What are the clinical significance? Diet high in monounsaturated fatty acid help in, we will take high amount of monounsaturated fatty acid means it help for weight loss. Help with weight loss, may reduce risk factor for heart diseases. So when we are taking monounsaturated fatty acid, it reducing the risk of heart related diseases. Then as long as they don't add extra calories, then food that containing monounsaturated fatty acid, especially olive oil, may also help reduce cancer risk, inflammation, and insulin resistant. First one is important one, reduced heart disease, then reduced cancer, inflammation, and insulin resistant. They can also helping lower bad cholesterol LDL level, low density lipoprotein cholesterol level, it also lowering. So these are the clinical significance: weight loss, reduced risk for heart disease, this one don't added extra calories, then reducing that cancer, inflammation, and insulin resistant. One more things, reducing that bad cholesterol LDL, low density lipoprotein. Polyunsaturated fatty acid are important for nerves function, blood clotting, brain health, muscle strength. It provides nutrient to help develop and maintains body cell regulation of plasma lipid level, cardiovascular and immune function, insulin action, neuronal development, and visioning function, eye related problem it will eradicate. So these are the important functions of polyunsaturated fatty acid: nerve function, blood clotting, brain health, muscles strengthening, provide nutrient to help develop and maintenance of body cells, regulation of plasma lipid level, cardiovascular and immune function, insulin action, then neuronal development and vision, that visual function. Next, essential fatty acid. Essential fatty acids are fatty acid that human and human body cannot synthesis through diet we must want to take. So that reason only it have that name essential fatty acid. Human and other animal must ingest because body require them for good health but cannot synthesize them. Must be provided by food necessary for health. So this one animal and human body cannot synthesis through diet we want to take. So that's why it is have that name essential fatty acid. Next, examples of essential fatty acid. Alpha linolenic acid, it provided omega 3 fatty acid. Then linolenic acid, linolenic acid, linoleic acid producing omega 6 fatty acid. Some other examples: gamma linolenic acid, dihomo gamma linolenic acid, arachidonic acid. So these are the example: linolenic acid, linoleic acid, gamma linoleic acid, dihomo gamma linoleic acid, then arachidonic acid. Next fatty acid, trans fatty acid. Trans fat increase our bad cholesterol level and lowering good cholesterol level. LDL level increasing, HDL level decreasing, lowering good cholesterol level. This one is the bad one. So trans fat increasing our bad cholesterol level and decreasing good cholesterol. Trans fat is considered the worst type of fat to eat. What are the food material it have? Vanaspati, ghee, fried food, packed items like biscuit, then fried the street food, restaurant food. These are the things containing trans fatty acid. So it is the chances for atherosclerosis. Trans fatty acid rise bad cholesterol, also lowering good cholesterol. Examples of trans fatty acid. This one high amount presented in packed food material, cakes, cookies, pizzas like that. Then microwave popcorn, then frozen pizza, then fried food, french fries, fried chicken, then non dairy coffee creamer. These are the food containing high amount of trans fatty acid. These trans fatty acid only bad thing for our body. Thanks for watching.